Hey, hi, Kate. Okay, so hi, Kate. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm great.
You're great. You're good. You're doing great and good. Okay, so for today, Kate, let us listen and check the box. Okay, ready?
Yes.
10b. People in our street. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. Which is Lily's house?
Which is your house, Lily? Is it the one with the grey roof?
No, our house hasn't got a garden and its roof is red.
Oh, OK. And what colour is the door?
Blue, my favourite colour.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What's Dan's father doing now?
What's Dad doing, Mum? Is he washing his car again?
No, Dan. Look, he's playing with the puppy.
Ah, great! Can I go and see?
Yes, but put your coat on first.
2. What are Lily and Dan playing?
Are Lily and Dan playing table tennis?
Not today. And Dan didn't want to play football.
Oh, so they're playing badminton?
That's right. They like doing that.
3. How does Dan's mother go to work? Hello, Dan. How does your mum travel to work? By bus?
She goes on the train. It's quicker.
Does she ride her bike to work sometimes?
No, she never does that.
4. What's on Mr. Field's balcony?
Mr. Field's got a new pet, Mum. It's on his balcony.
Is it a rabbit?
No, it's a parrot. Look.
Oh, yes. What kind of pet would you like?
A kitten.
5. Who's waiting at the bus stop?
Is that your mum at the bus stop?
No, it's my best friend's grandmother.
Oh. Which bus stop's there?
The number 1. It goes to the beach.
Okay.
Okay, so what is Dan's father doing now? Very good, letter B. Yay! And what are Lily and Dan playing?
The
Tennis. It's badminton. Okay. How does Dan's mother go to work? Okay, by a train. And what is on Mr. Field's balcony? It's the letter C. And who is waiting at the bus stop? Who is waiting at the bus stop? It's letter B. It's Lily or it's Don's Grandmother. It's the grandma. Very good. Yay. Perfect. Okay, great one. Okay, so here in the conversations, so you read and choose the best answer. Okay, this is about Dan and Lily. Please read and encircle the best. Okay?
Okay.
Wait me
Okay.
ha. Just encircle.
Ooh, what she like? She like chocolate. Mm.
Okay? Done? Sorry. We still have number 6.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. What is, sorry. What is she like? What is she like?
She like chocolate.
She likes chocolate? Okay, the answer is she's really nice. Okay, like when I say, okay, Kate, when I say, oh, what do you think? Okay, Kate. Okay, it's just like you are asking question. You describe Kate. How is Kate? Kate is very nice. Okay. Has she got any brothers?
Only one. I think.
Very good.
I think.
Okay, tell me about her. Tell me about her.
Be good at math. Smart.
Okay. Huh? Okay. Okay. 4. What she's good at in class. What she's good at in class.
It doesn't understand this
Okay. She can spell long
long
words.
word.
Okay. Shall I invite her to my party?
Good idea.
Okay, very good. Wow, very smart girl. What is her phone number?
I don't know, but I can. Her.
Oh, wow, perfect. Oh, wait me, I will check. I will put a check. Check,
Oh,
check, 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 and check.
back.
Okay, scores is 6.
Very good.
Wait. Okay, very good. Wow. I will send it to your mom. Wait. Okay, great job, Kate.
A second.
Wait me a second.
Okay.
Joanna? Israel, parece que era James. Era James. Oh, Tilson daan, mani si Tilson. Okay? Okay. Okay, so here, oh, do not close the door. Dan and Lily both live in a street, and now Sally lives there too. Dan got, what are you doing? Dan got brown eyes, but Lily and Sally's eyes are blue and bigger than Dan. Dan's got the biggest nose and the biggest ears, but his snout is small. Dan's hair is brown and really curly, but Lily's blonde and straight. Sally's hair is block. It's shorter than Lily's hair, but it's longer than Dan's hair. Okay, so now, okay, please answer the question. You write your answer in the chat box. Do you know where is the chat box? Here. Chat box here. Hello. Okay. Okay, can you see the chat box?
Yeah.
Okay, please try to answer, write your answer in the chat box. I will put here number 1. Two. 3. 4. 5. 6. Okay, that's 1. Okay?
Yes.
You write your answer in the chat box, ah.
Teacher,
Mm-hmm. You done?
what color are the eyes?
Okay,
And
eyes. What color are Lily's eyes? Okay, Lily's eyes is blue.
and draw is
No, 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 draw. You write only. You write. Do not draw. Write in the chat box. You write your answer. Oh, like that. You write your answer in the chat box. Do not draw. Just write.
right. What color are the eyes? Mm. Look at this. This teacher. Right in the chat.
Write in the chat.
Okay.
We have 6 questions. You write your answer in the chat. Sir.
Oh, go. Sorry. Has Dan got big nose? Okay.
Okay. Okay, number 1. What color are Lily's eyes? Okay, it is,
Blue.
sorry ha. It's blue eyes. Very good. Next one. Has Don got a big nose or a small nose?
Big
Don
nose.
got a
Big
big
nose.
nose, the biggest nose. Who's got the smallest mouth? It's
Dan.
Dan. Okay, yeah, correct. Okay. 4. Is Lily's hair straight or curly?
Straight hair.
Okay, straight hair. What color hair has Sally got? Sally, huh? Sally has got?
Hair.
It's a black hair. Okay, now. Who's got the longest hair? Who's got the longest hair?
Hair.
Who's got the longest hair? The longest.
Longest.
Yeah.
Longest. Not long.
It.
Yes. So Dan here.
Mm-hmm. Correct. Yeah, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so this one. Okay. I will share another topic for you. Okay.
Mỗi tháng 200 đến 300 triệu. Thôi, thách thức.
Palista dito, palista. Napamayo, palista. Palista ko nila ni ha.
Bố anh làm chủ tịch. Đấy, em thích
Mm.
không phải công ty. Bố anh là chủ tịch câu lạc bộ tập dưỡng tinh của xóm ấy mà. Mà thôi tôi hỏi thẳng luôn, anh đến đây bằng xe gì? Anh đến đây bằng cái xe mà. Đấy, anh chả nói từ đầu đi xe hơi, cứ đấu em. Anh đi xe buýt.
What's that, Kate? I hear something.
Lòng cô thôi, không ngờ cô là người như vậy. Tôi quyết định sẽ không hẹn hò với cô. Ôi anh ơi, thật ra là nãy giờ em cũng giả vờ là một cô gái ham tiền để em rủ lòng anh. Mà ai ngờ anh lại là một người rất thẳng thắn và trưởng thành. Em quyết định rồi, em sẽ yêu anh, dù cho anh có giàu đi nữa. Cô thấy à? Thế thì chúng mình đến với nhau nhé. Rồi à? Thật ra nhà anh vẫn nghèo em ạ. Lương tháng anh bao nhiêu? Mỗi tháng anh kiếm 200 đến. Ôi ơi, thách thức. Tôi tưởng là em ơi, không, con trai mình lắm nè. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I will share another topic. Okay, let us 11. Okay, so we have meatballs. Oh, do you like meatballs? Next.
Yes.
Pie.
Hi.
Next.
Milkshake.
Shake. Okay, next is rice,
Rice.
sausage.
Sausage.
Okay, and pancake. Okay, next we have mango, bean, and lemonade.
Lemonade.
Yes, very good. Noodle, soup,
Soup.
and sweet.
Sweet. Get not
Okay.
sweet.
Sweet.
I love sweet.
Oh, you love sweet. Okay, pineapple
Pineapple, lime,
and
lime,
lime and limoncito, lime, no, lime sauce.
sauce.
Okay. Okay, this one, look at this. What are you eating? Are you eating a big apple? Have you tried to eat a big apple?
You eating a very big apple? No.
Okay, it's a no. Are you eating ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay, you love ice cream. What is your favorite ice cream?
My favorite is vanilla ice cream.
Okay, vanilla. Okay, you're drinking a cup of hot coffee. You're drinking a cup of hot coffee.
No. No.
You know, you're drinking a cup of coffee. You're drinking the milk from the coconut. We are
Yeah.
drinking the milk from the coconut.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay, here, please write. Okay, right here, huh? Example, coconut. Okay, under the fruits. What are the things lime under the fruit? Okay, chicken, burger. Okay. Juice, drinks. What are the drinks? You have to write here what are example of fruit, meat, drinks, vegetables. Okay, you
Okay.
have to write.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Purpose. 700.
Lime burger. Lime. Lemonade. Lemonade. Wait. This.
Wait lang, ah.
Lemonade is lemonade is
Drinks.
drinks.
Yeah.
Okay.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20.
Lemonade. Tea. Tea. Milk. Water. Water. Milk. Milk. Shake.
Dai, pila na dai? 4741 eh.
Okay.
Ah, very good.
Lemonade. Tea. Milk. Water. Milkshake. Okay. Next. Next. Beach.
Okay. Pila imong potato.
Carrot. Carrot. Menu. 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 Apple. Apple. Beer is fruit. Teacher.
Okay.
Beer is fruit.
Okay. Lemonade, tea,
Beer.
milk,
Teacher,
water.
wait.
Yes, yes, yes.
Beer is fruit.
Fruit.
Okay. Onion. No. Lemon. Pasta is chocolate fish.
Okay. Very good. Okay.
Teacher,
Chicken. Yes.
pasta
Chocolate, you can put chocolate here. Vegetables.
is onion.
Oh, correct. Onion. Okay, correct.
Wait.
Yeah, well,
Beans. Onion. 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 Onion and beer. Beer.
yes.
Beer is
Ano pa may day?
beer is fruit.
Yes.
Right. Okay. This. Okay, teacher. This. Huh?
Okay, yes. Beans and onions. Correct.
Okay. What? Wait.
Yeah, I will send it to your mom, huh? Very good. Wow, very smart, Kate. Where's Kayo? Where's your brother?
Pasta is chocolate, ice cream.
Correct. Very good. Yeah.
So hot.
It's so hot. You turn on your
Yeah.
aircon.
So hot.
It's so hot. You tell your mother to turn on your aircon. Okay, so this is the last. Okay, I will send it to your mother. Very good. Okay. Yay. Very good. Okay. So I will see you tomorrow, Kate. Kate, I will see you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye,
Bye.
Kate.
Bye, teacher.
See you tomorrow. Don't forget. Bye-bye.